Fix Microsoft Store slow download speed in Windows 10. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can solve if Microsoft Store has slow download speed, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if the Microsoft Store has slow download speed, there are a couple of things to check. First of all, make sure it is not actually the internet that is actually slow, because sometimes your internet itself could be very slow that you might not be able to connect it. So make sure it is not the issue with the internet. Before we do anything, a simple restart can always help you save a lot of effort. So you can just try to restart your computer and see if that actually helps you. Otherwise, go to the search bar and type in CMD and open up command prompt. And once you open up command prompt over here you simply want to type in ws reset.exe. So type in ws reset.exe and then click on the OK option and wait for the command to be executed and then restarted. Then once you've done that, you should be able to hopefully solve the issue. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.